Target games kickball. Target games are activities where players send an object such as a ball, shuttle or disc toward a specific target to score points or achieve an objective. Now, as we go through our lesson, we will be discussing the set of skills, rules, and regulations and the safety precautions needed. The main goal is accuracy, control, and strategy rather than speed or physical contact. They can be played individually or in teams, in competitive or recreational settings. For example, the archery, golf, bowling, billiards, and the kickball. Let's focus on one of the target games, which is the kickball. The main goal of kickball is to kick the ball that is being pitched by the opponent. Let us now discuss the rules and regulations of kickball. So first, the rule number 1. Court dimension. It has 3 sequential bases. First, second, and third. A home plate and a pitcher mount in the center. And the shape of the court is diamond shape. Rule number 2. The team composition. The game is composed of 2 teams with a total of 18 players, meaning there is a total of 9 members each team. The rule number 3. Kickball fielding positions. We have 2 areas, the outfield and the diamond, and the infield inside the diamond. There will be 5 players positioned in the outfield. The first player, which is in the second base. Second player, the right field position or first base third. Third player is in between the first and second base. Fourth player is in between the second and third base. And the last player is the left field and the third base. Its main objectives are to catch the ball outside the diamond court and return it to the inside diamond court. The remaining 4 players will play inside the diamond court. First, the pitcher. It is positioned at the center of the diamond court and will throw the ball. Second, the catcher. Positioned behind the kicker and will be the one to catch the ball. The remaining 2 players will guard the first player and third base and tag the players before they reach those bases. Question. Does the outfielder allowed to enter the outfield? Of course, no. Let us delve into the rule number 4. The kickball kicking position. The position of the players of the kicking team is 4 bases that including home plate. A player of the kicking team must kick the ball from the home plate and then run to the first base. After him, a new player enters the home plate and does the same and runs to the first base. Meanwhile, the first player should move to the second base. This process goes on until a player reaches back to the home plate after passing 3 bases. Questions. What will happen if a player successfully reaches the home plate? Well, the players will gain a point. Now, what will happen if the player gets tagged before reaching the home plate? The players will be out. With that, we also need to remember that kickball is a non-contact sport, but there are times that accident happens. So, how do we prevent those kinds of accidents? Simply by avoiding playing aggressively. We need to be careful of playing, like learning how to kick and catch the ball properly. We also need to perform warm-up exercises to avoid strain and muscle soreness. So, we can see that playing kickball is not just about kicking, running, throwing, or catching. It is also about showing sportsmanship by showing the rules and respecting others, and about building camaraderie by working together as a team. When we practice these values, the game becomes fair, fun, and enjoyable for everyone. Let us have an activity. Are you ready? Okay. Activity number 1 titled Infield or Outfield. Instructions. Students will line up straight. The teacher will tell the different position of the players inside the court. Students will jump on the right side if the position is on the outfield and left side if the position is on the infield. For our activity 2, titled Kick-Off. Instructions: the class will be divided into 2 groups. Students will line up straight. First player of Group 1 will kick the ball targeting the opposing player. Group 2 will catch the ball that is being kicked by Group 1. If one of them failed to achieve the goal or hit the target, they will be eliminated. A team with more remaining players will be the player. For our activity 3, titled Move and Guess. Instructions: students will group into 2. Each group will receive different flashcards and a ball. Students will pick 2 representatives to act out the images shown in the flashcards. While acting out, the group mates will guess the skills acted.